Ngicela sibashayele tandla. Right, bakithi, I thank you for the opportunity from directors. Ngiyavuthela kakhulu ngibona tinceda uNkulunkulu elikhulu ngemandla phakathi kwethu. Pastor Lungu ngiyabingelela babe. Ngiyabonga lithuba lengilitholile ukuthi ngizokhuluma with these great minds today. This day was pinpointed by God before the beginning of the universe, before the foundation of the universe. With Ron Mas, you will have an opportunity to speak to my people. It is my prayer that by the time you sugar I'm going to Ron Mas to bakulmile but go be nguye uNkulunkulu through this mouth. Ngiyabingelela na Bishop Doningo Nyama in our midst. Ngibingelela umfundisi Bishop Charles Shongwe. Hawe ulegend lephilako. Ayithelisa semncane kakhulu. Ngabona tikwenta kuba bemkhulu nalabanye bonke great artists, great musicians. Nanonke bakithi ngicela ukuthi ngingasandi liphutha lokuthi ngishele abanye ngaphandle. Ngiyanivusela namuhla. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kancane nginikethe isihloko la lesithi you know I am a business coach, a certified coach. Ngi-inspirational speaker. But ngiceliwe la ngizokhuluma ngade part of business. But ekugcineni ngitawuthi fahla. Sengihlala phasi. Kuna lenye video legijima ngala ngaphandle basemnye bamkela. Bathi sicela babubuye utothi semgwabeni. Sicela sibabe utothi fahla. Ufika qobo lo ba uthi fahla. Hayi. Bakithi akekhuluma ngale ndzaba yale business kancane sengidina ngale inspirational sengihlala phansi. Now I'll be very quick. Uma ngikhuluma ngicela ukuthi silandzelane kahle. A business is one thing, is one side. A company is another thing on the other side. A company does not make money, it takes money from you. Every year, some of you have 5, 10, 2, 3, 1 registered companies. That company requires you to pay money to CIPC every year as in the form of annual returns. That is a company. A company akusiyinto lekufuna ukuthi utitshele ngayo labaningi bathi nyalo sengiready sengine company. You are not yet ready for money. Okay. Money does not come to companies, it comes to businesses. Now, a business on the other side, you don't believe it's a business. Uhlala busy. When you wake up in the morning, to give an example, that is business. Uma vuka ekseni on that titulo. Uma lishona langa uyakhona sisa stool usmixe somewhere. Bakunike imali. Business. That is business. Who can be in business? Everyone of us can be in business. But the problem is that Ron Mas, I have nothing. I am nothing. I'm from a family which has nothing. How can I be in business? Go with me. Okay. If you ask two people, you get a pessimistic person. It is half empty. You get an optimistic person. It is half full. Okay. Okay. But there is another truer version. The third version, which is also true. This bottle is full. Not half empty, not half full. The bottom part is filled with water. And the second part is filled with air. This is full. Okay. Where we say there is nothing, where you say there is nothing, there is something. There is air. When you say there is nothing, you don't have anything, take it from me as I give it to you today. You have something. Yes. You have what it takes to be in business tomorrow, not next week, not next year. You don't have to wait for funding for you to start your business. Because I've come to see people still waiting for funding. Let's see what they do. Funding. What are you waiting for? It is an excuse. A wrong one. And a wrong excuse. This country cannot live on excuses. Excuses will never put bread on the table. It delays your journey in life. It is now time to stand up and look at yourself I know you may not have money, but there's something that you have which you can use immediately, and you can be in business in no time. I'm not saying you need to look around you. Look at the things that you can do. Some of you are plumbers, but they're not aware. They're waiting for us to employ them. But they're running serious businesses and plumbing inside of them, but they're waiting for someone to come and employ them. If you can go to town today, you'll see people written somewhere: brick layer, plumber, electrician. No work. The two don't go together. On the same boat, they cannot sit together. They cannot coexist. You are a plumber, but there's no work. It does not make sense. You have what it takes to be in business. Lama connections to come out to Zingawona. Stop a bit. I got turning in here. When I was suffering go Kulmanas Banban, Tim Shakabani, when you saw them phone and moon. Bandu Bapusha agenda yabo, so swam no putwam. Bapusha Tinotabo. Don't wait for people. Start with what you have. Start locally. Start small. With a global picture in your mind. I have come to be in contact with many business people in my career as a business coach. A lot of them, though correct, to have a big picture, they fall into a trap of starting big. Very big trap. It is risky. Now, when you start big, you attract big risks which you may not be ready for. And soon you'll be kicked out of business and you'll say entrepreneurship is not the way to go. And I'm here to confirm, because entrepreneurship is the way to go. Looking at the economy of South Africa, entrepreneurship is the way to go. No matter when they're in, that is the way to go. As long as it offers something at the end of the day, it's a flame. Nago again, that's it for now. What's in it, entrepreneurship and Kulunga Maten. And Kulunga Maten. In Pumalanga, in over 4.6 million band. South Africa, over 57 million people. South Africa and the world, 7.6 billion people. All these people are fighting for the same opportunities.
And survival.
Same opportunities, same tenders, same work opportunities, same educational opportunities. Now, what do you do as Ron Masisa is preparing to go and sit down? You need to stand out so that you can be outstanding. Stand out from the rest. Do your small thing in an excellent manner. Uma wendi business yakho lencane, yende ngasi i-client yakho qala nguNkulunkulu. Uma ubhaka ama-fat, wabhaka ukhiphela amafutha uthi uyeda nguNkulunkulu. Utothenga le fat lam. Ungamani wende nje. Uthi kufuna imali. Imali bantu bathenga umuntu. The other part, which is branding. People buy a person. They buy from a person. That is why you see the adverts on TV. But 70 celebrities to endorse products. So when you follow that person in other sphere, automatically it is believed, like Gondwe, which will follow whatever they say. When a natural person, there is no difference in a business which is a touristic or legal person. A business just because it's not a natural person. It being a person, kuthaza ukuthi ingafa uma ingadli. Ingasuffocator uma ihlele tidzaweni leti wrong nebantu laba wrong. Business level. Your business, take it with both hands. It is what God has given you. It is your assignment. Where I come from, I was talking about an assignment of a man on earth. And what I said, so ngifuna ukuhlala phansi. Azwe ngende njalo mfana kithi. Yangigqugquzela. Yang inspire and motivate. An assignment. There is an assigner. There is an assignee. The transaction is assignment. The assigner knows the end in the beginning. But the assignee is not aware. In an assignment, there is a deadline. My sister, my brother, me and now, we are on an assignment. Put it today, the assigner knows. Don't waste time. Don't postpone. If you feel it today,
do it now.
Do it today. Ideas are seasonal. They come and they go. You have this idea today. You see another person doing it tomorrow. Ideas are like that. They're seasonal. Idea is not permanent. Ufuna kuyibona yendele. Uphisa ibumbetela. Uhleli uthini uNkulunkulu asezulwini. Sikuyadlala la. Nofuna nomnye umuntu manje. Hey. Something I put into action. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is action.
Sure.
Today is Women Gwabeni nabanye bethu. We have laid great people there, men and women, people who speak with conviction. Bantu basume bonke bashaya itandla, they are sleeping there. People who we know, because bafuna kwenda emhlabeni, they are sleeping there. Bantu bafuna kuhlabelela, they are sleeping there. People who wanted to be speakers of note, they are sleeping there. Bantu bafuna business ideas, they are sleeping there. There is no proof for some of them. Because there was no action. Please, you know what needs to be done, but you don't do it. Start it small. But believe me, when I tell you, you are not playing. You are at work. Baby steps are steps too. Baby steps are steps too. But now undermine my baby steps.
Hey.
If there's nothing lobo yenda, ututelela kuthandaza nomsebenzi. Well and good. Msebenzi sotholile.
Oh.
Msebenzi sotholile. Msebenzi ushekha. Msebenzi uhamba nawo. Don't wait for another person to come and employ you. Okay, na bebe matenda. Itenda. Ngicela ukuthi kuthole endleleni. Don't wait for it. That is not business. It's eternal. It comes with cards. Ngaphela 3 years ungakayitholi. Ngaphela 10 years ungakayitholi. Ngaphela 30 years ungakayitholi. Mfana wakho abuya tokuta. Athi babe sathibona tsanga takho uthi lo wafunza naye lo. Uthi lo benathenda nonke voice of hope ingodini lo. Elijah Mangu. What happened to you babe? Ngomele mathenda.
Silimanzini. Jwayela kahle.
Lokuphazamisa abantu ngicela ubuye program director. Ngicela usonzele. Ngithi mina kupostpone ne fear kunjenge cancer to get dream yomuntu. Idla kancane kancane. Kile muntu akasaphilifela to anything. Nakabona abantu baphusha utsawu tinyoka.
Hawu.
Cancer. Emdlile. Akasakhona ukuhlukanisa what people do. Kodwa akasanamandla ukunika abantu thinto manje. Setinyoka kuphela kunika abantu thinto. Cancer. Idle abantu.
Unedumo.
Ibaphazamsile. I'm inviting each one of you with due respect from today. You are employed. You are by yourself. You are in charge of your business. You determine working hours. You determine what comes into your business, what goes out of your business. My name is Ron Mas. Thank you very much.